Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We are in a special new listing here right in the heart of Winter Park. But we're on the Seminole County line, so a lot of amenities with the infrastructure and great schools that Seminole County has to offer, but still with the convenience and location of Winter Park right in the middle of Central Florida. So we have a cute home here, very, very well maintained. It's a 3-2. Just over 1,400 square feet. You're gonna love the price. It's gonna go quick, so you gotta come check it out. Let's go see inside. So, right when we enter the home, you're gonna notice the flooring. It's a nice hardwood floor. There's some various upgrades over the years done in this home, and so you'll appreciate those once you see them in person. We have the large family room here, which overlooks the backyard, which we'll see later. But nice color schemes and features here. Again, very well maintained, very clean. And you have to come check out the kitchen. This was actually expanded at one point, and the kitchen remodeled a few years back. We have the island, we have the granite, we have all the new appliances, newer, and the cabinetry. Very good job. And again, this is nice and open here as well, so you get some light from the front coming in. And then we have the 2-car garage. And we're gonna go check out the backyard now. All right, so now we come onto the nice screened back porch here. The jacuzzi is included, in case you were wondering. So very nice, quaint area here. We have the fenced backyard as well, which we'll come take a look at. You do have room for a pool. There's no HOA here, so you guys can do whatever you'd like with this house, you know, as far as having pets run around. You can even store an RV, you know, whatever you want, right? But there's a nice layout here in the backyard, plenty of space, and you got to come see it. My name is Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We will see you here soon. Thank you.